In front of me is OPPO Find X8 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on those three dots at the top of it and select floating window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use more options of pop-up view, click on those three dots and operate all of those. If you want to close your window completely, you can swipe it in the background. If you want to use it in full screen view, just hold this line at the bottom and drag it all the way down. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!